Enhancing curb appeal. Last week we talked a little bit about it as one of the 7 budget-friendly tools to increase your home value. So let's go in a little bit more detail on how to improve curb appeal. Hi, I'm Charlotte, your Thurston County real estate broker. Let's start off by taking a closer look at one of the simplest yet most impactful ways to boost your home's curb appeal: painting the front door. Your front door is like the welcoming smile of your home. It sets the tone and leaves a lasting impression. Here's why it's so important and how you can do it right. First impressions. As I mentioned in my last video, first impressions are crucial. When potential buyers arrive, the front door is one of the first things they see. A fresh coat of paint can make your home look inviting and well-maintained, immediately capturing their interest. Color psychology. The color of your front door can convey a message. For example, a vibrant red door can symbolize warmth and energy, while a serene blue door can suggest tranquility. So choose a color that complements your home style and the emotions you want to invoke. Let's talk a little bit more about choosing that right color. So selecting the right color is essential, and here are a few tips to help you decide. Consider your home's exterior. Take a look at the existing colors on your home's facade. You'll want the door color to harmonize with these tones. Neighborhood and trends. While you want your home to stand out, consider the neighborhood's overall aesthetic. You don't want the door to clash with the surrounding homes. You can also look at current design trends for inspiration. And then personal preference. Ultimately, it's your home, so choose a color that resonates with you while keeping in mind the potential buyer's perspective. Now let's get into the nitty-gritty of painting your front door. It's a relatively simple DIY project that can yield fantastic results. Here is a step-by-step guide. So we have preparation. Start by removing your door hardware, the knobs and knockers. Clean the door thoroughly to remove dirt and grime. Sand the door to create a smooth surface for the paint to adhere to, then choose the right paint. Opt for high quality exterior paint that's suitable for your door material, whether that be wood, metal, fiberglass, etc. Primer is essential if you're changing the door's color significantly or if it's never been painted before. Just in general, primer is a good idea. Apply the paint. Use a paintbrush or a small roller to apply the paint evenly. Start with the panels and recessed areas and then paint the flat surfaces. Allow each coat to dry thoroughly before applying the next. Finishing touches. Reattach the door hardware once the paint is dry. Consider adding a new welcome mat or potted plants to complement the fresh look of the door. Painting your front door is a small investment with a big payoff. It's a quick and budget-friendly way to elevate your home's curb appeal, making it more attractive to potential buyers. Remember to choose a color that resonates with your home's style and neighborhood while considering the psychology of the color. And don't forget to follow the proper steps for preparation and painting to ensure a beautiful and long-lasting result. Next, enhancing your landscaping is one of the most effective ways to make a memorable first impression on potential buyers. A well-maintained and thoughtfully landscaped yard not only adds beauty, but also increases your home's overall value. So let's delve into why landscaping is essential and how you can make the most of it. So obviously, why landscaping matters is the curb appeal. The exterior of your home is the first thing that buyers see, and a beautifully landscaped yard sets the stage for a positive experience, enticing them to want to explore further. Also, increased value. Studies have shown that investing in landscaping can yield a return on investment of up to 150%. In other words, for every dollar you spend on landscaping, you can potentially increase your home's value by 1.5 times that amount. Quick transformation. Landscaping projects can often be completed relatively quickly, making it one of the fastest ways to spruce up your property before listing it. Landscaping tips. Now let's look at some landscaping tips to help you maximize the impact of your outdoor space. Lawn maintenance. Regular mowing, edging, and fertilizing keep your lawn lush and green. Repair any bare patches with fresh sod or grass seed. Plant selection. Choose native plants and flowers that thrive in your region's climate. They require less maintenance and watering. Add a variety of plants for color and texture, but avoid overcrowding. Mulching. Applying mulching to garden beds helps retain moisture, suppress weeds, and give a polished look. Mulch comes in various colors, allowing you to coordinate with your home's exterior. Hardscaping. Consider adding hardscape features like a well-designed walkway or patio. These elements create defined spaces for outdoor living and entertaining. Lighting. Outdoor lighting not only enhances safety, but also adds ambiance in the evenings. Solar-powered lights are an eco-friendly and cost-effective option. Water features. If your budget allows, a small water feature like a fountain or a pond can be a captivating focal point. Low-maintenance landscaping. If you're concerned about ongoing maintenance, consider low-maintenance landscaping options. Xeriscaping involves using choosing drought-tolerant plants, reducing the need for frequent watering. It's an eco-friendly choice that can save both water and money. Rock gardens. Incorporating rocks and gravel with a few strategically placed plants can create an aesthetically pleasing, low-maintenance landscape. Synthetic turf. If maintaining a natural lawn is a concern, synthetic turf can provide the look of grass without the upkeep. Synthetic lawns aren't for everyone, so make sure that you keep that in mind if you're thinking about doing these home improvements to sell. And then make sure that you check with your HOA rules, if you have one, to make sure that you're allowed to put in synthetic turf. Professional help. For larger landscaping projects, or if you're unsure where to start, consider consulting with a professional landscaper. They can help design a plan that aligns with your budget and vision while ensuring that the landscaping enhances your home's value. Enhancing your landscaping is a valuable investment that can significantly boost your home's curb appeal and overall value. It's a way to make your property stand out and leave a lasting impression on potential buyers. Whether you're tackling small projects or planning a complete yard makeover, landscaping is a cost-effective and quick way to make your home more appealing. Thanks for tuning in, and remember to subscribe for more real estate tips. I hope this was helpful. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you next time.